Today, we're getting a hands-on look at the Sony XB950N1 Extra Bass. We're just gonna call them the Sony Extra Bass over-the-ear headphones. Stick around and find out if these headphones have enough key features to make them worth $249.99. No fancy anything on the outside as far as I can tell. I slice open the shrink wrap and get to the goodies inside. The first item I come across is a loose leaf insert instructing me to download Sony Headphone Connect app. Great, another pointless download to clog up my phone. Inside I discover only 4 items. A micro USB cable for charging, a 35mm headphone cable, and a black cloth bag for travel. And of course, the headphones themselves. Holding the headphones in my hand, they feel light but terribly sturdy and well crafted. Great job here, Sony. One of my biggest gripes about over-the-ear headphones is the material on the headphones themselves tend to be thin and not built to last. They must be thin enough to let body heat pass through, but still thick enough not to disintegrate with normal wear and use. I decided to install the app. If I'm going to get the full experience, I need to follow the instructions. Pairing up the headphones was easy. I got them all paired up and flipped on for some streaming music. This is always the hardest part of showcasing headphones. You can't hear what I'm hearing. The volume button is easy to locate and remember for easy access. I'm totally wowed by how good they sound. I'm impressed. Take a look at the app in action. You can pick from various scenes, adjust the bass level, and turn the noise cancellation on and off all through the app. This is a 2 giant thumbs up for me. Great job, Sony. You actually made an app that has a function and a purpose for the headphones. This app, it has the clear bass. I can pick different types of environments that I'm in. I can pick from all sorts of stuff: arena, club, outdoor, concert hall, and it enhances the sound. And finally, for the first time ever, I know whether or not my noise cancellation is really on. Check this out. And it's all done through the Sony app. It tells me whether or not you probably can't hear it. But when I hit the button, it actually tells me noise cancellation on, noise cancellation off. It has this electro bass booster, and it's like nothing I've ever heard before. This is phenomenal. The test. What's the test? When you travel, when you get on a plane, when you're sitting on the in the row with the engine, it's making all that noise, and do you hear it? What sound is drowned out? That's how I tell whether or not these headphones are gonna be quality. So are these worth it? The Sony XB950N Extra Bass. Are they worth it? I think these headphones are going to be my new go-tos for just about everything. Whether I'm editing, I'm doing a live event, listening to music at the office, watching something I don't want to make everyone else listen to, I think this is it. And for travel, they're going to be amazing. I give these 2 big giant thumbs up once again. Sony, you knocked it out of the park. These are not their high-end headphones. They make some with a little bit more features. I'm not sure if the sound quality is much different, so I think these are right about $250. This is your mid-range. This is your quality. This is your I'm serious about music headphones, but I don't want to spend $350. Big win for the love of tech. Thanks for checking out the channel. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, do so now and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we have videos coming out. Thanks for watching, and for the love of tech, namaste.